In the next minutes I show you how you can add SketchUp models to your scenery and use water and hills to build a scenery very nice, so it looks like reality.
The Pro version of Finale 3D imports models in the SketchUp model format, which have the file name extension skp. If you want to use a free, publicly available model, there are more than 1 million models in this format of buildings, bridges, and other fireworks venues all around the world, freely available for you to download and use from the site, https://3dwarhouse.sketchup.com/. But don't worry, you don't have to remember this site. If you want to search and download to add models to your Finale 3D scene following these steps. From the menu select Scenery, Models, browse and download SketchUp models. The browser should now open the warehouse site where you can search for a model or a specific structure. For example, type in Old Bridge Heidelberg. Click on the thumbnail image of the model that looks best to view details about it. In the Details panel, look at the number of polygons in the model. Finale 3D can import models of up to 100,000 polygons, but as a general rule you should look for a model with 10,000 polygons or so. If it is a very simple model, as low as 500 polygons might be okay. If it is complex, 50,000 polygons is no problem. But if the model has only 1 or 2 polygons, that's a clue it is not a real 3D model. If it has more than 100,000 polygons, that's a clue it may be too complex for real-time simulation. After finding a model with the right level of complexity, select Download 2019 format to download the model to your computer. From Finale 3D, choose the menu item, Scenery, Models, Add Model, and select the SketchUp model that you downloaded to your computer. That's it. If you want to use your own model, saved in a different format, then you will need to convert your model to the SKP format. Some modeling applications can save in this file format directly, in which case simply save the model in the SKP format and that's all there is to it. If your modeling application does not save in the SKP format, or if you don't have access to a modeling application, then you'll need to download and use the SketchUp modeler itself to import your model from its native format and to save it in the SKP format. Now you can place the model at the right location. Before you can move it around, you must unlock the models, so click on Scenery and uncheck the Lock Models in Place entry. Now you can move the model around while pressing the left mouse button. To rotate it, make a right mouse click on the mode and click on the Rotate entry. Move the mouse to the left or right to rotate the model now. If finished, click the Done button on the right side. An interesting feature is that position could stick to the model. Look at the position when I move it over the model. Depending on the build structure, the position could be placed at a side wall or on the top. The behavior of the positions can also be changed with some options that can be found at Positions, Options. Now you can place some water on the scenery. To do so, click Scenery, Landscape and Water. Draw a water small area. Click on a point in a scenery where you want to add some water. Repeat clicking to make the area of water bigger. If finished, click Done at the right bottom. When you now shot effects from a position at the bridge, the water has a wonderful mirror effect. You also can draw some hills. Select Scenery, Landscape and Water. Draw gentle hills. Click on the ground to add a small hill. Repeat clicking to the ground to make the hill a little bit bigger. Press the Done button when you are satisfied with the appearance of the hill. With these tools you can build beautiful scenes that can impress your customer when you make such impressive videos as you see here.